welcome. It's probably that.
What is going on, guys? So I've been called to a tire changing job, so I'm gonna be heading over there. If the sound is kind of iffy throughout, like I'm still trying to mess around with my my audio program to get the audio sounding great, so I'm sorry if the audio is kind of weird. I'm using my new hat cam so that I can record what I do, and I hope the quality isn't that bad. So this is the first video that I'm going to be using my new impact gun that I just got. No longer have the air compressor, so now I can see through my back window. And so I am gonna go get to this customer and help her out with her tire, so we'll see you when I get there. Alright, so we are at the location. Right here should be the location of the white Mercedes-Benz. Hang on. Are you sure it's the white Mercedes? That's a Jeep. There it is. So let me go ahead and do a quick little U-turn. Let's see. Did it say what kind of tire it is? Doesn't say. Well, hopefully I can get to it. That's the way Mercedes-Benz E350. How's it going, sir? Doing pretty good. So you're the one with the Mercedes? Back passenger? Yeah, you got a screw in there? You got a screw? I don't even know. I mean, I've seen many different things. I've seen like a, what was it, a plastic metal piece stuck in the tire and all sorts of stuff. Well, sometimes whenever you run over like nails or screws and everything in the right place, right time, it'll bounce up and hit the bottom of your car, come down and bounce back up, and it goes right into your tire. Yeah, I've seen videos on how that could. It's right here. Wow. Yeah, so I can definitely get that off for you. Let's see if I can get a signature real quick.
So you gonna plug it or change
it? Change it. You got a spare tire? Yeah, I wish I had a plug kit and everything. It would help out a lot. Yeah, but I'm waiting for my company to approve of it.
Okay.
That's kind of fancy.
Man, it's about white stuff, man.
I'll make sure that spare tire has plenty of air.
Okay.
Alright. And you're the first customer that gets to see me use my first tool for the first time.
What is it?
Of a cordless impact gun.
Cordless impact.
Yeah. I've been wanting to make a YouTube video about it.
What kind of NASCAR scenario?
Kind of like that. I mean, I used to have an air compressor back here with air lines and my air impact gun, and I was using that for over a year.
Oh wow.
And I was like, I really want a wireless one, or at least a cordless, battery powered. And I've been trying to save up the money for it, so finally got the money and I bought one.
So this is your company?
This is my company.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm contracted with Jackrabbit and all sorts of different insurance companies. And depending on these companies, they will send you some tools and equipment and everything.
Okay, that's why I get confused. Okay.
But
They send you
they
resources.
they supplied me. That's what they supplied me. And I was like, man, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh my.
And they're like, well, if you want something air powered or electric and everything, you have to pay for it yourself. I'm like, man, you gotta be kidding me. Yeah. I guess these companies want to save money, right?
Yes, sir. They doing more than saving. They stacking it up.
Yeah, I'm on now. Alright. No wheel locks? Cool. Oh, that's very convenient. Some of these vehicles don't even have a point to where you can put a jack under.
And they're so frail, you scared to put them in.
Yeah.
Put a jack anywhere.
Looks like 19s.
Where you going, Marie? Where you going? Huh? Oh, okay. Thank you for coming.
Oh, that one's on there. Those two are on there. Well, you know what they say. Always gotta have a backup, right?
Back up. Got to be more that would be more leverage, huh?
Yeah, way more leverage.
That's good stuff, man. Wow. You gotta be kidding. Y'all can't get more.
Alright.
That's amazing. What's that called?
Huh?
What's that tool called?
This one?
Yeah.
It's a Tech. TEQ, correct?
That'd be a nice video.
Huh?
That'd be a nice video to show our kids at school when you keeping on leverage and things like that.
Yeah.
About the air thing didn't do it. Why was that when they were turn it off?
Yeah. Alright. Come on now. Oh, the nuts are stuck in there. Oh, that's why.
That's still amazing how just a nail just gets in a tire, man.
Yeah, I just don't know how.
It's in there.
It's a screw. They're right in there. I don't see any other Yeah, there you go. 2 nails.
Somebody tried to get me.
Hey. That's just only a piece of metal.
I went through a construction site or something.
Probably. Well, luckily that tire is repairable. Yeah. Because I've seen a lot worse tires out there. Yeah, I just like I do YouTube videos, and I did one yesterday for what was it? 2 flat tires and 1 blowout. And one of them happened to be on a big boat trailer. And the boat trailer one, I wasn't even called to it. I was on my second call, and the driver that was hauling a big ass boat, he stopped by and he asked me if I could help him out with changing out his boat trailer tire. And I looked at it and I was like, well, my jack's not going to be able to lift that, 13,000 pound trailer. So we came up with a plan and got his tire up good enough so I can get the tire off, put a new tire on. Alright. Come on now. Alright. Alright. There you go. And if I can, I need the mileage of the vehicle.
Yeah, 130,000. Exactly 129,442.
129,442. Alright, let me see what else they want from me. Nothing else.
That's it?
That's it.
No copay or nothing?
No, sir.
Stop playing with me.
No. Insurance company pays me as long as you're covered under roadside assistance. You don't have to pay out of pocket.
Well, thank you.
Yep.
Nice doing business with you, sir.
Yes, sir.
I need one of them cameras for school, man.
These cameras.
I'm an assistant principal. I need one of those on my coupling so when the kids start acting innocent, I can show the parents the footage.
Yeah, I know, right?
The parents they turn back to babies and my baby. I'm like,
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, no. No. You see what he said? He said the F word in school.
Mommy, I didn't say it. That's good, man.
Yeah.
Take care, bro.
All right, you too, man. Hey, search me up on Facebook, Mike's Independent Services.
I sure will.
All right. Yeah, you too. All right. Whew, kind of got hot. But there you go. I am not sharing that guy's address or anything. I don't particularly share people's personal information, not their name, not their phone number, not their address, and everything. So I got him back up on the road. He's gonna get that tire repaired and put back on the vehicle. Now it's great, the impact gun did its job, but there were just two lug bolts that I couldn't get off. So it's great that I have the breaker bar inside my jack handle, because if I didn't have that, I wouldn't be able to get the lug bolt off. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to what I was doing earlier, and I'm gonna cool down a bit. I'm getting too cold, or too hot. Not too cold, I'm getting too hot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below, like the video, share it with your friends, family, colleagues. Let me know what you think about my videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and God bless.